In a world where Earth's oceans, covering 71% of the surface, were drastically reduced. If water made up only a fraction of what it does today, the consequences would be catastrophic, altering life profoundly. Without the vast oceans to regulate temperature, Earth would become a land of extremes. Summers would be unbearably hot and winters freezing cold. The temperature swings would be devastating. Rainfall would decrease, turning fertile lands into deserts. The water cycle, driven by ocean evaporation, would falter. Crops would fail, leading to widespread food shortages. Rivers and lakes would shrink, leaving billions without access to clean water. Cities would become overcrowded as people fought for survival near the remaining water sources. The loss of oceans would mean the loss of the world's most diverse ecosystem. Oceans house over 80% of Earth's species. Without them, the food chain would collapse, leading to mass extinctions. Life on Earth would be thrown into chaos. Weather patterns would become violent and unpredictable. Superstorms and hurricanes would arise, threatening entire regions. Coastal cities, once thriving, would be abandoned as seas receded, leaving barren shores behind. The atmosphere would suffer as well. Oceans absorb a large portion of carbon dioxide. Without them, greenhouse gases would skyrocket, worsening climate change at an uncontrollable pace. Humanity would face unprecedented challenges. Wars over water would become common as nations struggled for resources. The global economy, reliant on maritime trade, would collapse. Hydroelectric power would decrease, forcing us to burn more fossil fuels, worsening the climate crisis. The loss of oceans would strip away much of Earth's beauty and mystery. Coral reefs, full of life, would disappear. Deep-sea exploration would become a thing of the past. Our cultural and spiritual ties to the sea would fade, leaving the world smaller and less vibrant.